Hi. In their ideal neighborhood. In the ideal neighborhood of a father with small children, there is a beautiful park where the kids can play. And there is also a good school nearby, so the children don't have to travel far. There is a big supermarket where the family can buy everything they need. The neighborhood is safe and kept, and there are small shops and nice coffee where the father can relax while the kids are in school. Mm, for retired person over 16, the ideal neighborhood is peaceful and friendly. Uh, there is a modern hospital close by in case of emergency. There is a cozy library where they can read and attend community events. They can go to a cute restaurant or small cinema with friends. The stress and there are beaches in the park to see to enjoy the day. They can't walk too far, so everything should be close.